This campaign rally by State Minister for Microfinance Haruna Kasolo on Thursday was one of the many glaring examples of selective application of the law in enforcing restrictions to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The Electoral Commission allows a meeting not exceeding 200 people, and opposition politicians have many times fallen foul of the police for allegedly failing to keep crowds at their campaign engagements within this number. On Sunday, supporters of FDC presidential candidate Patrick Amuriatoboy were tear-gassed for the same reason in Iganga. Barely an hour after the incident, this procession by NRM-leaning independent Iganga municipality member of parliament, Peter Mugema, passed through the same area untouched. The same police officers looked on. Police spokesperson Fred Iganga has now been tasked to explain the different treatment of the different campaign groups.
Sometimes we can put a bit of blame to the commanders, especially the DPCs, for not being tactical in their operations, but those who are vigilant and very confident of themselves will go ahead and carry out very good duties. So it depends on each and every territorial commander. Bagenda nebatitira mukole emirimu gyabwe. Ne balowooza nti webanakwata kwa NRM balina engeri gye banaafiirwa emirimu gyabwe. Ekyo kikyamu.
Iganga says Minister Kasolo, Peter Mugema and John Paul Mpalanyi, the DP candidate vying for Kasolo's Kyotera seat, are wanted by police.
Today they are recording their statements respectively in Kyotera and also in Busoga North respectively. Like for Honorable Kasolo, Haruna together with Mr. Mpalanyi, John Paul, these two contravened the Ministry of Health guidelines when they held massive processions and huge rallies that are prohibited, and we are going to fast track the matter and ensure that these case files proceed to court.
Mr. Iganga has also given an update on how far the police has reached in investigating its officers for the violent altercations between them and NUP presidential candidate Robert Kyagulanyi's team in Jinja last week. Kyagulanyi's convoy was shot at and some members of his team were injured.
Our Director of Forensics managed to retrieve 4 guns over the weekend for comparison. So that one is also another bit of expansion in the investigations. So that report is also not yet out.
For police critics, neutrality may not be seen until NRM large crowds start getting the same treatment, or those that Iganga calls timid officers are harshly dealt with from within the force. Edward Mhumza, NTV.